After receiving the product, make sure you have one pair of J hooks and five metal frames with you. Take the right side vertical post and place it on the right side Y frame. Do it with the other side also, the left side. Place the left side vertical post on the left side Y frame. Then connect the whole assembly set with the supporting frame. Then we can place the J hooks on the height suitable for us. And this is the final assembled product. Hope you liked it. Thank you for your purchase from Mac Industries. Thank you.